Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little bit of a negative video for you because I purchased 3 perfumes. They weren't even blind and every single one of them was a fail. So let me know if you guys have done this before. You go into a store, you smell the perfumes and you think you want them and you impulsively buy them, and as soon as you get them home and take them out of the box, you pretty much realize that you shouldn't have and it was a fail for one reason or other. So yeah, I thought I would share these with you, but definitely stay tuned and make sure that you're subscribed if you're not, because I do have some incredible fragrances coming. I'm so pumped to share them with you guys. Before we get into today's video, I do want to say thank you to the sponsor of today's video, which is Ana Luisa Jewelry. So Ana Luisa Jewelry is an incredible jewelry company that makes high quality pieces out of real gold and silver at affordable prices. They use recycled materials whenever possible and strive to offset their carbon emissions to be as environmentally sustainable and friendly as possible. So not only do you get beautiful high-end pieces that are high quality, but you also make a minimal impact on the environment, which is awesome. And you guys, you know that I am a bit of a minimalist. I don't wear a lot of loud, big, attention-grabbing jewelry. I like something that's very minimal, very dainty, very chic. That is just my style. I like something that is just enough and just kind of catches the eye but isn't too much, and that is what Ana Luisa's jewelry does. So they have sent me 3 more pieces to share with you that I picked on my own. So I got this adorable little flower bracelet. It's called the Rowena bracelet and it's made of gold-plated brass. It's hypoallergenic. Look how cute it is. It is so shiny and so luxe. It's such good quality, and I think this would be a great bracelet to dress up any outfit, and I think it will be a compliment getter as well. And this bracelet is on sale right now for $93.50. They also sent me this lovely necklace that I chose. So it's not the matching one, but I really liked this necklace. It's got the adorable little dainty circles. It is so beautiful, and this is called the Sam necklace. So this one is made with 14 karat gold and sterling silver and cubic zirconia. It's very delicate, it's very dainty, it's just the right amount of bling to add to any outfit. I think you could dress it up, I think you could dress it down. I could literally wear this every single day and it wouldn't be too much. I also picked out these adorable pin earrings. I don't even really like to wear earrings all that much, but I couldn't resist the little heart and lock design. I thought it was just so cute. So it's like a little safety pin, but it's like a little lock and heart. And these are called the Kora earring. They do have matching jewelry to go with it if you want, and these are on sale right now as well for $93.50. They are gold plated and sterling silver. So their prices are super affordable already. They start at just $39 and work their way up, but they are currently having a huge sale for Mother's Day. And I think these pieces would make an incredible Mother's Day gift, but you do have to order by Monday, May 3rd internationally, or May 5th for the US if you want your pieces in time for Mother's Day. So if you order by Monday, May 3rd, you will get your pieces for sure in time for Mother's Day. So you can save 15% off of whatever you order as well using my link down below. I will put all of the links down below for all the pieces I shared with you today, as well as my discount, and I really hope that you guys will head on down and check them out. And without further ado, let's get into today's perfume fails. Okay guys, so let's talk about the one that's not really a fail. This is actually a beautiful perfume, and if I didn't already have 1 or 2 citrusy scents that were a little too similar, I probably would keep this. This is actually a gorgeous fragrance. It's just one that after I got it home and opened up the box, I kind of had second thoughts and was like, why did I buy this? So this is Versace Eros Pour Femme Eau de Toilette. So I had blind purchased the Eau de Parfum last year in the beginning of quarantine, and I really did not like the Eau de Parfum. The Eau de Parfum for me, for some reason, was very bland. It didn't have a lot of personality. A lot of people told me to check out the Eau de Toilette. They said the Eau de Toilette had a much bigger presence and was very fruity and sweet and beautiful. And so I did go out and test it out. And to my surprise, it blew me away. I really liked it. I couldn't believe how good it was. So the notes in here are Sicilian lemon, raspberry, white currant, mandarin orange, and cologne. I'm not sure what that cologne is. In the mid, you have magnolia, jasmine, orange blossom, and freesia. And in the base, you have musk, ambroxan, woody notes, and patchouli. So what I mostly get from this is just a very light, citrusy, fresh, sweet scent. That lemon is very powerful in here. It's just a beautiful, perfect spring summer scent. It's a perfect freshy scent. I know a lot of people really like this one. It reminds me a little bit of the Versace, but you guys know if you watch my channel that Chanel Chance Eau Fraiche is my favorite summer freshie. And as soon as I got this home, I realized that if I'm going to wear a citrus fragrance, I'm gonna wear my Chanso Fraiche. That's just my preference. That's my favorite citrus fragrance. And also because I don't wear citrus a lot, I don't really need a ton of them, and I kind of thought this was a little bit different enough that I could keep it. But yeah, once I got it home, I kind of realized that I don't really need another like lemon prominent fragrance. So I do really recommend this one though, you guys. This has really good lasting power. It has pretty good projection. It smells amazing. It's really, really nice. I would say this is a pretty good alternative to Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. If you're somebody like me and you just don't really love light blue, it's actually really beautiful. I also don't mind the bottle. I think the bottle looks quite luxe, but yeah, I knew as soon as I got it home that this was kind of a mistake, and I don't know why I brought it home. So yeah, it's beautiful. It just kind of got me in the store, but I don't need it. So this one was quote unquote a fail for me, but it's not really a fail fragrance, if you know what I mean. Okay, so the next one, you guys, how cute is this bottle? This is going to be hard for me to part ways with because I absolutely love the bottle and this would make such cute pictures and it makes beautiful home decor, and I won't lie, that's part of what drew me to the bottle. I love the Ariana Grande bottles. So this one is Ari from Ariana Grande. So I thought I had smelt all of her fragrances previously, and as you guys know if you watch my channel, I'm not a huge sweet candy-like teeny bopper celebrity fragrance lover. I just don't really like that scent profile very much. I think that no matter what age you are, you should be able to wear whatever you want, and I think there's nothing wrong with wearing Britney Spears Fantasy. If you're 75 years old, if you like it, you go for it. And I actually really like a lot of those scent profiles. I like something that is sweet, that is a little sexy, that is fun. So if you guys watch my channel, you know that the only Ariana Grande fragrance I really, really love is REM. I actually genuinely love REM. Even Cloud for me doesn't really do it for me. This one the other night when I smelt it at a Shoppers Drug Mart, on paper, I thought it smelled really good and really sweet, and I don't know what I was thinking. I was kind of in this mood of buy, get all the fragrances, and I liked it, and I thought the bottle was so adorable. So first of all, look at the bottle and the little pom-pom. How cute is that? This has to be one of the cutest bottles I've ever seen, and part of me wants to keep it just for the bottle. So the notes that you have in here is raspberry, pear, and grapefruit. In the mid you have vanilla orchid, lily of the valley, and rose. And in the base you have marshmallow, musk, and woody notes. And like I say, on paper, this smells so good. I actually thought to myself that it might be one of her better scents. I thought that it smelled a little bit more mature. On paper, I really liked it. The other night, I actually wore it though. It has such terrible performance. It doesn't last very long. I tried Cloud on one arm. My daughter has Cloud. So I tried Cloud on one arm and this one on the other just to compare them. Cloud completely blew this one out of the water in terms of performance. This one became so light, and it really did. As soon as I got it on my skin, it reminded me of a celebrity fragrance. Like, I couldn't justify it. I was like, no, this one actually does smell on my skin like a cheap, sweet celebrity fragrance. So I do apologize if anybody's watching who has this and loves this, and if it works for you, that's great, and if it lasts on your skin, that's great. It doesn't last for me even a tiny bit, and it smells cheap on my skin. I hate to say it, but it kind of does smell cheap on my skin. It is a sweet, lovely fragrance, and I think this would be a great gift to give a teenage girl, and if it works for you, that's great, but I can't justify it because the performance is just so poor. Yeah, I like it, but I know I'm not going to wear it. I know I'm not going to enjoy wearing it. It's super cute. Luckily for me, I can return it. The place that I bought it from, I can do a return. So yeah, unfortunately, I think this one is going to be going back. I love the bottle so very much. Like, I think it's so cute, and it would just make absolutely beautiful decor. Look how it sparkles. It's amazing, but the juice inside is just not going to work for me. Okay, and the last one is Gucci Premiere Eau de Toilette. So I have never smelt the Eau de Parfum. Just for reference, if you have the Eau de Parfum and you love it, let me know, because I would be curious to try it, although I'm kind of perturbed a little bit at this point just because of how the Eau de Toilette is working for me. So this one I had smelt. This was not a blind smell. None of these were blind. I smelt this at a Shoppers Drug Mart about a couple months ago, and I really liked it on paper. It had a very fresh, sort of a sexy, clubby, like it reminded me of something I would wear out in the evening. It does have a note of champagne in it, and I kind of got like champagne vibes from it. Like when I smelt it, I thought that it smelled very like classy and posh and like something I would wear when I go out to a club. Not that I club, but it was one of those perfumes. So this is, first of all, let me show you the bottle up close. I love this bottle. I love this bottle. I wish that this one was going to work for me. It looks so beautiful sitting on a tray. I also don't have very many, in fact, I don't think I have any Gucci perfumes anymore. One thing I love about this is the little, can you hear that? I love those little dangly gems. I think those are so adorable and I like the sound it makes. Love this bottle. Don't love the juice that's inside. So in the top you have champagne, bergamot, and orange blossom. In the mid you have jasmine, freesia, musk, and Bulgarian rose. And in the base you have woody notes, patchouli, and leather. I don't really get any leather in here. I definitely get a teeny tiny bit of patchouli and some woody notes. In the top I do get that bright, fresh, bubbly sort of bergamot, orange blossom, champagne quality. Like I said, when I tried this in the store, it smelled very bright and fun and playful and kind of luxurious. When I get it home and I spray it on my skin, first of all, the performance is not very good. It doesn't last, it doesn't project. I maybe get 2 or 3 hours on my skin and it's very, very soft. Like 10 minutes after spraying it, it's soft. I want to at least be able to smell it on myself for a while, but it is so soft even like very shortly after spraying. So that bothers me a bit. Also, once I get it on my skin, that kind of fun, bubbly champagne quality about it that I thought that I really liked goes away and it just becomes a very bland smelling floral fragrance. So this perfume, if it was food, would be oatmeal. It is bland. It is okay. It is nice. It is inoffensive. You could use it, you could live off of it, but it's not going to wow you. It's not going to hurt anybody. It's not going to offend anybody's feelings, but it's just very, very bland. So yeah, it doesn't smell bad by any means. It's just like kind of pointless. You know what I mean? And please don't take offense if you have this. This is just my perception. When I put it on and I smell it, I'm like, okay, it smells like I'm wearing a basic, nice floral. You know, the nice floral. Like, I don't know, it just doesn't have any personality. It doesn't have any oomph. It doesn't have any performance. It's just very, very, very bland. Like, I don't understand why they would even come out with an eau de toilette for a perfume that's already so light and inoffensive, you know? So I haven't smelt the eau de parfum. The eau de parfum doesn't get good reviews from what I've seen. I have not seen very many people talk about this perfume in general in a good way, but I did want to check it out. So I did get this from a discount website, so thankfully I didn't pay a whole bunch for it. It's a full 75 ml bottle. If anybody's interested, please let me know because I will let it go for a really good deal. But yeah, it's just a real shame because I just love the bottle so much and I'm not going to be able to wear it. So it would just sit there. It would just sit there and look pretty and sound pretty. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed hearing my thoughts on these fragrances, and don't forget to click on my link down below to check out Ana Luisa's jewelry. If you order by May 3rd, you will have it in time for Mother's Day, so definitely head on down there and check them out, and I will see you guys all very soon in my next video. Bye for now.